Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve your issues that you have on Twitter. To know how to find a solution about Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Twitter. When you find this page of app info, you will enter to force stop and you will click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data here because that can make errors on your app of Twitter, and then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.